Now we're going to have multiplication and division of fractions. Number 1, it's 1/2 times 2/4, 1/2 times 2/4. So the first, in this one, 1/2 times 2/4. All you have to do in the multiplication of fractions is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 1 times 2, it's 2, or simply we'll just going to write so that it will be easier to understand. 2 times 4. So 1 times 2 is 2 over 2 times 2, 2 times 4, it's 8. Simplest form, what possible number can you divide 2 and 8? What is the greatest number? It's 2. 2 divided by 2, 1 over 8 divided by 2, 4. Anong pinakamalaking number na makadivide sa 2 at saka 8? That's 2. And just divide that. So the lowest term is 1/4. 1/2 times 2/4. So they are the same, but this is a different process. What you're going to do now is, you're going to identify kung saan dyan ang pwede makancel. Yung pwede makancel are those numbers na magkapareho, or those numbers na pwede mong may GCF sila dalawa. It's either the numerator, denominator. So titingnan mo sa numerator, sino may GCF, sa denominator may kasama siyang GCF, sa denominator may GCF siya. So example for this one, dito ang denominator dito is 2. So denominator dyan is 2. Tapos doon sa taas may number rin na 2. So magkaparehong 2. So kung ganito, kung may magkaparehong 2, i-cancel mo yan. Pwede mo yung i-cancel. Ibig sabihin, wala na silang value. So they are considered 1, or simply do not consider them anymore. So 1. So natira na lang sa taas is 1. Ang natira sa baba is 4. So ganito na answer. So mas madali ito siya kaysa dito kung titingnan, but still up to the students. For example, number 2, 3 over 6 times 12 over 15. So ang 3, saan dyan may common, may GCF? So pwede sa 6, pwede rin sa 15, but we'll have it in the 15. So kung the greatest common factor of 3 and 15 is 3. Yung pinakamalaking number na makadivide sa 3 at saka 15 is si 3. Kasi 3 divided by 3, it's 1. And 15 divided by 3, it's 5. So si 3 naging 1, si 15 naging 5. Next, ang 6 at saka 12, meron ring factor, which is, anong number makadivide sa 6 at saka sa 12? That's 6. So, pwede mo rin yan silang i-cross out. Tapos 6 divided by 6, 1. Si 12 magiging 12 divided by 6, that's 2. So, ang natira ang 12 naging 2, ang 6 naging 1. So, ang natira na dito sa taas is 1 times 2. 1 times 2. Sa baba is 1 times 5, which is 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. Very good. Next, dito, 4. 4 times 1 over 3. So kung ganitong naman ang given, 4 times 1, who's simply 4 times 1. So 4 times 1, it's 4 times 1 over, kasi walang denominator dito sa kabila, or 1 ang denominator. So simply copy na lang tong 3. So 4 times 1 is 4 over 3. Next, 4 times 6, the same process. 4 times 6, 24. Copy na lang denominator, 5. So that's the answer. This one, kapag may mixed number naman, ito di ba this is a mixed number. What you're going to do, the same with addition and subtraction, what you're going to do is change this to improper fraction. So improper, it's times plus. So times plus. 1 times 2 plus 1. 1 times 2, it's 2 plus 1, 3. Copy mo si denominator na 2 times 2/3. As you could see, may 2, cancel. May 3, 3, cancel. Kung walang natira, that's considered 1. Very good. Next, 6 over 7. 6 over 7 times. This is a mixed number, so you're going to change this to improper fraction. 1 times 3 plus 2. 1 times 3, it's 3, plus 2, 5. 5 over 3. So, times ang numerator, 6 times 5, 30 over 7 times 1, 21. As you could see also, this could be still be simplified. So, divide mo by 3, divide mo by 3. So, 30 divided by 3, that's 10. 21 divided by 3, that's 7. So, the answer is 10 over 7. However, dito rin sa taas, pwede mo rin siyang i-cancel. So, instead dito, magiging 1 na siya. Ito magiging 2. Very good. 2 times 5, 10 over 7 times 1, 7. So, they have the same answer. Now, let's proceed with division. Division is 1/3 divided by 2/4. What you're going to do is ganito. 1/3, kopyahin mo yung 1/3. So, 1/3. Tapos ang division, gawin mong multiplication. Pero kung gagawin mo siyang multiplication, kailangan mo itong i-reciprocate or ibaliktad. Ang 4, pupunta na sa taas. Ang 2, pupunta na sa ilalim. So, ang 2, pupunta sa ilalim. Ang 4, pupunta sa taas. So, dahil ganito na siya, you can simply multiply it. But, may pwede kang makancel. 4 at saka si 2. Si 2 magiging 1, si 4 magiging 2. Divide mo by 2. Very good. 1 times 2, 2. 3 times 1, 3. So, 1/3 divided by 2/4 is 2/3. Next, 2/3, i-divide mo by 1/2. So, copy yung una. Ang division magiging times. Ang 1 over 2 magiging 2 over 1. Pwede mo bakang makancel si 2 at saka si 2. No, kasi dalawa sila nasa taas, hindi mo sila pwedeng i-cancel. Pwede mo lang i-cancel kapag nasa baba ang isang 2. So, multiplication na diretso. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 1, 3. So, 4/3. 2/3 divided by 1/2 is 4 over 3. Next, 2/3 divided by 4. So, copy mo ng 2/3. Ang division magiging times. So, paano mo itong baliktarin? Kasi wala siya sa baba. Again, kung walang sa baba, ibig sabihin meron niyang 1. So, kung baliktarin mo na siya ngayon, magiging 1/4. May pwede ka bang makancel? Yes, ang 2. So, you could cancel 2 and they could be divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, magiging 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. So, times now, 1 times 1, 1 over 3 times 2, 6. Next, the same process, kapag may mixed number, gawin mong improper. So, improper times plus 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7 over 2 divided by, or change na natin agad, times ang 6 over 7 magiging 7 over 6. Pwede mo makancel? Hindi. Pwede mo makancel? Hindi, kasi nasa baba silang dalawa. May makancel ka pa ba? Wala na. So, 7 times 7, 49 over 14. So, 12 pala, 12. Sorry. So, this is the answer. Last one. 2/3 divided by 1 and 1/2. 2/3, it's 2/3. Copy yung pinakauna. Ang division magiging multiplication. Ito muna, you're going to change this to improper fraction. So, improper fraction magiging times plus. So, magiging 1 times 2. It's 2 plus 1. It's 3. 3 over 2. Pero, kailangan mo nang baliktarin. So, magiging 2/3. So, 2/3 times 2/3. May cancel ka ba? Wala. Kasi magkapareho sila sa taas. Magkapareho rin sila sa baba. 2 times 2 na agad. 4. 3 times 3. 9. So, 2/3 divided by 1 and 1/2 is equal to 4 over 9.